One of the biggest questions people are asking right now is this: will AI replace my job? It's a fair question. AI is moving fast, and every week it seems like new tools are getting smarter. That naturally creates concern. Some people are excited, others are worried. So let's talk about it. The truth is this: AI will absolutely change the job market. But that doesn't automatically mean AI will replace everyone. In reality, some jobs will be heavily affected, some jobs will change, and many jobs will become more valuable. Let's break it down. First, some jobs involving repetitive tasks may be most at risk. Jobs built around repetitive writing, basic data processing, scheduling, simple customer service, and routine administrative work could be heavily impacted by AI. Why? Because AI is very good at handling repetitive digital tasks quickly. That means some roles may shrink or change significantly over time. But here's the important part: many jobs won't disappear, they'll evolve. That brings us to the second point. Many jobs will be improved by AI, not replaced by it. Think about teachers, marketers, designers, business owners, writers, sales teams, healthcare workers, and office professionals. AI can help these people work faster, automate repetitive tasks, and improve productivity. But human judgment, creativity, leadership, communication, and decision-making still matter. That leads to the third point. Human skills are becoming even more valuable. Skills like communication, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, adaptability, and problem solving are extremely hard for AI to fully replace. These human strengths still matter a lot, and they likely will for a very long time. The fourth thing to understand is this: people who learn AI will likely have a major advantage. This may be the biggest opportunity of all. In many industries, the people who know how to use AI well will become more productive, more valuable, and more competitive. That doesn't mean you need to become a programmer. Not at all. Even learning how to use tools like ChatGPT effectively can give you a major advantage. Here's the big takeaway: don't panic. Adapt. AI is not just a threat, it's also a powerful opportunity. The people who stay curious, keep learning, and learn how to work alongside AI may be in the strongest position moving forward. Start now. Learn the tools, build useful skills, and stay adaptable. That's the smartest path forward. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Ask Andy AI, and I'll see you in the next video.